So today I want to talk about moving on. Basically, you've gone through the journey of life, and one thing we're guaranteed, even the Lord says in the Bible that in this life we will have troubles. And troubles will present themselves in various ways, from family levels to work levels, to a neighbor, or even hata umepata tu matatu, umeamka tu uko na mali unaenda umepata tu matatu, and somebody just decides to maybe just be nasty to you. So troubles will always be there. But that's not the point. So for you to be able to succeed, to also triumph against these troubles that come, of course, one, God has to be working with you, but you also need to learn to adapt, accept, and pivot very fast. So yes, you're going through this and this has happened. So your ability to be able to accept very fast and be able to pivot and move on and accept what you need to accept, carry with yourself what you can carry, what you can learn from this lesson to carry to carry to your next is very, very important, because you cannot carry everything. There are some things you need to accept and say, okay, maybe hapa yenyewe nilifanya blanda. Ni sawa. Umefanya blanda, it is done. So what can you learn from it? Maybe could you change the context the next time you're handling the same thing? And then the lesson that you have learned, now carry it forward. But it's important to keep moving forward. Don't stay in one space, especially where there's been pain, where there has been hurt, where there has been disappointment. So it's very, very important that you need to commit yourself to always keep going. But if you focus on the problem, you focus on how it makes you feel, then you're never going to move. So every day you wake up in the morning, commit, when you look into the mirror, commit, say to yourself if you have to, that today I'm going to keep moving. Yesterday may have been this and that, but today I am moving on. And in that way, you find yourself that somehow you just keep carrying on in life. You just keep moving on, because somebody will also wonder, hey, this guy just keeps moving. Regardless of what happens, this person just keeps moving. And people will gravitate towards you, because nobody wants a sob story. Nobody wants somebody who keeps crying every single time. Mafuta imepanda. Yes, imepanda. Tax zimeongezwa. Yes, zimeongezwa. But now, do you want to cry about that every day? It is painful, agreed. But then again, what do you want to be able to do about it? Because the policy may not change overnight as much as you want to, right? But then keep moving. Just find a way to always keep moving. Keep moving and be a positive energy. Be a positive light. That's what everybody wants to be around. Nobody wants to be around. If you're the one who keeps crying, you always have to keep noticing what is wrong without offering a solution. You're always that person who, when they're looking for negativity and gossip, it is you they find. Let me tell you, nobody wants to be around that person. But using you, they will. Because you decided that you're the gossiper. When they want to know what's going on, they'll always come to you at that particular point, because that's where they will place you in life. So where do you want to be placed with people? Yes, God gives us favor with himself, but God can also give us favor with man. Because when somebody has a problem and they're thinking through who can they plug into a solution, or an opportunity has come up, they will always go for the person who is actually a positive light and always willing to move on. So please keep moving. Do whatever it is you have to do and commit to keep moving. Life will never be perfect. We all pray that the Lord will help us move on, but it will not be perfect. So keep moving.